Manishankar Iyer, while speaking to Headlines to his sister channel Aaj Tak, has said that when he was the petroleum minister, Mukesh Ambani, the renowned industrialist, met him twice. The first meeting, he says, was in fact general in nature. On the second occasion, though, when he met him, it was regarding the petroleum industry incurring losses due to taxes, but he refused to help him on the entire issue raised by him. This is what Manishankar Iyer has come out and said.
मुकेश अंबानी को मैं मात्र 2 मर्तबा मिला
जी।
एक वो कोई 10 दिन बाद आए और उन्होंने मुझे ऑयल सेक्टर के बारे में अपनी कुछ जानकारी दी और मैंने उनको मुबारकबाद दिया कि मुझको बहुत समझ में आया है
जी।
कोई 1 महीने के बाद हमने जो कर होते हैं बदला, इससे उनको कुछ हानि पहुंची तो फिर वो मुझसे मिलने आए और मैंने उनसे कहा कि हम अपना इरादा बदलने वाले नहीं है और जो हमने निष्कर्ष लिया है उस पर ही हम जुड़े रहेंगे।
चलिए,
ये 2 बार हम मिले। अब इसके आगे कौन कह सकता है कि किसी ने मुझ पर दबाव लगाया?
Well, Mayur Shekhar Jha has been tracking the entire story. What this really means, let's get some perspective. Mayur, when you look at this comment coming across from the former petroleum minister, Manishankar Iyer certainly detailing the kind of influence that Mukesh Ambani actually enjoys in that ministry.
Absolutely, Ajit. In fact, I've been tracking this ministry. I was tracking this ministry very closely also at the time when this entire, these developments happened, when Manishankar Iyer was shunted out of this ministry and sent to the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. That was the time when certain taxes were to be imposed on some of the complicated products that Reliance Industries was specializing in. So those products were before that not under the tax ambit, and when Manishankar Iyer as the petroleum minister proposed that those products be brought under the tax ambit, it has raised a whole lot of controversy. So it's not like, in fact, that's what we've been also saying, that contrary to Kejriwal's allegation that Manishankar Iyer was shunted out on account of KG Basin, well, that's the pricing of KG Basin gas is an issue that had not even started at that point in time. At that point in time, it was precisely the proposal to impose taxation on some of the complicated, on some of the complex products from Jamnagar refinery that drew this flag between Reliance Industries and Manishankar Iyer, and subsequently could have become the reason for Manishankar Iyer's exit.
Mayur, just stay on for a moment. Let's actually play out that reaction once again. Manishankar Iyer, the former petroleum minister, speaking to Headlines to his sister channel Aaj Tak, mincing no words, saying in no uncertain terms that he did hold 2 meetings with Mukesh Ambani. On the first occasion, it was a general meeting. On the second, issues of tax evasion were raised. Let's listen in.
मुकेश अंबानी को मैं मात्र 2 मर्तबा मिला
जी।
एक वो कोई 10 दिन बाद आए और उन्होंने मुझे ऑयल सेक्टर के बारे में अपनी कुछ जानकारी दी और मैंने उनको मुबारकबाद दिया कि मुझको बहुत समझ में आया है
जी।
कोई 1 महीने के बाद हमने जो कर होते हैं बदला, इससे उनको कुछ हानि पहुंची तो फिर वो मुझसे मिलने आए और मैंने उनसे कहा कि हम अपना इरादा बदलने वाले नहीं है और जो हमने निष्कर्ष लिया है उस पर ही हम जुड़े रहेंगे।
चलिए,
ये 2 बार हम मिले। अब इसके आगे कौन कह सकता है कि किसी ने मुझ पर दबाव लगाया?
Manishankar Iyer, they're speaking exclusively to Headlines today and sister channel Aaj Tak, saying quite clearly that he was approached by Mukesh Ambani, but he refused him any help. Mayur Shekhar Jha, thanks very much for joining us as well.